It's Amanda. Did you know that your posture could be the number one thing causing you all of your pain? You're standing like this, or sitting in a computer like this, or you stand like this, or even sometimes like this, right, with a little booty out. All of this is messing with your posture and making your pain so much worse. So, what we're going to do is on Friday, November 10th, I'm going to teach you how to instantaneously change all of your posture. Number one is going to be awareness. Are you aware that your shoulders are slouched forward? Are you aware that you're not standing up as tall as you should be? Are you using your knees? Are you using your glutes? Are you using your chest? We're going to talk about this and so much more in 1 hour on Friday. And you guys should definitely be there. It's going to be awesome. Posture is my favorite thing to talk about because it is such an easy fix and you'll get rid of all of your pain. So let's do it. Bye, guys.